Hey everybody, there's an aggressive bass in there. We can't see him, but he's there. We use this setup here. We're gonna do what's called a flip. He already bit me. Move Tuli out of the way here. No, that's better. He bit me again. This one. Spot. There we go. That's the spot. And that's the result right there, ladies and gentlemen. Now you see, nobody catches it for me. We catch it ourselves and with the lure. And no, there's no scuba diver in there ready to hook him for us. It's just a plain old bass. We caught him yesterday, we catch him again today. He's a nice 2-pounder, this lure. And now without the photo, because we already got a photo of him, we're gonna release him, okay? Thank you. There he goes back. Back to his nest. That's how you catch a bass, ladies and gentlemen.